Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is going to be another rant video. So we talk about, Chrome going with versions and versions, and I think everything should stop doing this. I mean, we look at Firefox. Firefox moved on to a new version number. So if you go into the help about Firefox, we moved on to 1.30.34. And of course, everybody is following. So now we've got Google Chrome, which is at 131, which in a week or two is going to be at 132. And we look at Edge that follows. And of course, the Chromium browsers all follow. And you just wonder, why is it that it's so important to change version number when there's nothing new in the browser? And same happens on so many levels with software. Oh, we've got version 2 of this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But in reality, you have very few new things. An example of when a version number might be a good idea to change is an operating system. So, you got Android. You've got iOS, you've got Mac OS, or even Windows. They don't change their version number. They have increments, like Windows 11 is at 24H2, and they'll have 25H2 in a year from now. Yet the browsers and many other software have these. Oh, every month we've got a new version. Yeah, but why? Why is it that we have to be at version 131 on Chromium and at 134 on Firefox when the accumulation of new features that makes it worth changing version number? I would guess that these browsers would probably be at version 15 or something like that. And it actually went faster and faster over time. So, just like at Firefox from its beginning, why is it at 134 when, if you look at all the new features that would really make it worthwhile to say it's a new version, I don't think we would be more than version 20 or 25. It's a marketing thing, probably, that's for sure. But does anybody really go out and say, oh, I'll take Firefox because they're at version 134. That must be way better than Edge or Chrome at 131. No, I don't think so. I think people just don't care. So why are you pumping up these numbers? What? In 10 years from now, we'll be at version 1450? What's the stupid idea behind this? I'm sorry. Stupid. Stop doing stupid things like that. And fix your browsers, like I said yesterday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.